Alright, so I dropped off the rim, I think it was yesterday at like 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. I'm not sure, around there. And I'm about to go pick up the rim today, which was the next day, to pick up the damaged rim that I had, the gold rims I have in the Integra, which, if you don't know what it is, I'm going to pull a picture right now of what the rim that has a damage to it. So I'm going to pick it up right now. They had to fix the hole and it had a dent on it. So he fixed both things already, and I'm on my way right now in the court to go pick up my gold rim. And sadly I don't have a tire for it. I had an extra spare tire. It's kind of the same size, but it probably won't look the same. I was gonna have to do for now, so until I buy exactly the same tire as the other 3 rims. You'll see what I'm talking about when I show you guys. But I'll let you know when I get the rim, when I pick it up. So I'm back at the house. I just got the rim back. I'm about to show you guys in a minute. Matter of fact, let me open the trunk. And let me open that garage real quick. Let it open, let it slide open. Yeah. Love seeing that open. So, let me show you guys the rim. So, that's the rim that was damaged. Right now there's a temporary tire on it. I actually took it off of that rim over there. Don't mind the garbage. I have to throw that shit out. But yeah, it's almost the same size tire, just a little bit bigger. I think these are 195 60s 15s, and then the regular other ones are 195 55 15. Yeah, 195 55 15. So that's a little bit bigger, but it's for now. I had to give them a tire so that they could make sure the rim didn't have no leaks, because it had a dent here. I'm gonna pull up a picture now of the hole. I don't know if you guys can see the dent, but I'll show you guys. And then the hole is right here, so they patched that up for me. Yeah, so yeah, hopefully it doesn't leak anymore, but so far so good. So this is gonna be my temporary tire for now. Almost the same size, kind of look the same. Like, you see this one, and then you see the other one over there. So yeah, can't wait to take these off so I can match the fronts. But now the stressful part is taking that off to put this one on. This one's gonna go on that side, obviously, but that's gonna be the stressful. But lucky for me, I believe in magic, so I know that anything is possible. So if I believe hard enough, I believe these rims will come off on their own and switch to the gold ones. Think about it, it's like a magic trick. You don't know what I'm talking about? Just watch. Right now we have those rims, right? And I don't want to jack the car up in the back and then take those out and then put the gold ones. But what the hell? Yo, this fucking lens is so fucking dirty. And oh god, and, what the fuck? See? Wow. You guys, if you just believe, shit happened. Like, I was cleaning the camera and look what the fuck happened. Where's on? Crazy. Anything is possible. Remember that. Any dream you have, it is possible. Just gotta believe hard enough and grind hard enough, and you'll get there eventually. It's like me. The grind don't stop. I'm trying to make it big in this YouTube, and I will one day. Just gotta be patient. But damn, she look good. Look at that shit. Hey, let's go to the other side. Real good. Now, like I said, this tire is different size. It's kind of bigger, like some monster truck shit, but it will do for now until I get another tire for that side. But yeah, but she's looking way better from what she used to look like before to now. It's a big difference in my opinion, real big difference. Can't wait to see the continuation of this build. Definitely gotta put that wing on, so that might be a next video. I want to put that wing on, see how it looks. So next video, maybe this video, I'll be installing the wing on the car. Who knows, I maybe do another magic trick. But anyways, let's move on to the next stuff. So I'm at the trunk just thinking about how to install this wing. There's no wing on it yet, but I'm just thinking like how to install it, you know? Like what's the right way to install it? Let me close the trunk. Oh, what the fuck? Am I tripping? How the hell? How the hell did I get on? It was just off. What the fuck? Yo, I'm shocked as fuck. This is the second time in a row it's like magic. It just installed itself. That's crazy. Holy shit. Holy shit. Man, it's 30? I mean, it got scratches in the wing and shit, but we're gonna fix that, don't worry. But I'm just impressed. That was crazy. Magic tricks these days, bro. I'm telling you, man. You believe? Anything's possible. Shit. Anyways, let me show you guys how this is mounted. So basically, there's two, I found a few 10mm bolts. Focus, there we go. So I got one here, there's two. I'm missing one on this side because I couldn't find another one, but I got this one here. I just missing one that I'm when I find one, but this shit ain't going nowhere at all. This shit's tight. So yeah, looks way better with the wing. Way better with the wing on. It's just that it's black. It's not like, but at least it matches kinda, you know what I'm saying? Like this is like Galaxy type with flakes and shit. This is just plain black, but it still look good. Still looks good. I'm gonna give you some outside footage. Car's almost complete. Just got the roof still, but it's almost complete. Man, I'm loving these magic tricks though, bro. I got my wheels on by believing and my wing. Can't get better than that. Just wanted to say something real quick. Those HX wheels, those are like the lightest wheels I ever picked up. Like if you're trying to go like racing and shit like that, and you want light wheels for autocross or whatever, I think the HX wheels, like Honda Civic HX wheels, those are stock HX wheels, are the best. Because these right here, these gold ones, weigh at least 4 to 5 pounds heavier than those HX wheels. So yeah, you want to go autocrossing, I think the HX wheels are way better. I'm gonna try to see because I only have 2 pairs. That's the only reason I bought the set. I only have 2 HX wheels. That's the only reason I bought these gold ones for cheap. Bought the whole set. So it kind of look the same. You barely can tell the difference, but yeah, I might try to find the other 2 HX wheels so like I'll use them for like autocross or whatever. But these gold ones look fucking fantastic on the car. For looks, these gold ones are it. Car looks sexy, bro. It's fucking sexy. Damn. Look at this. Damn. Crazy.